Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing chicken biryani's recipe. It's the most popular dish of Pakistan, India and now all over the world. It has two steps. First I will make curry and then rice. Hope you will enjoy it and try it at home and let me know how it goes. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Let's start cooking.
To make chicken biryani, we have basmati rice and drumstick chickens, tomatoes, yogurt, fried onions, salt, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, cinnamon, cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and star anise, and dried plums. Medium low flame, add your oil and also add the chicken drumsticks. Cook till they are golden brown and then remove the chicken from the oil. Within the same oil, add your ginger garlic paste, add coriander powder, add the zira powder, cumin seed powder, add the red chili powder, add the turmeric, and then add your diced tomatoes. Cook and stir, and then add yogurt as well. Add your lemon juice, and mix well. So add the pre-fried chicken that you had fried, and now mix it together with the curry. Add your salt as well at this time. Then cover with the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Now add some boiling water of 2 liters, star anise, cloves and cinnamon bark. Add the rice as well. Mix everything together. And then allow it to boil and cover and put it on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Then once the rice has been cooked, you need to drain the water and add your dried plums within the curry. Add coriander, mint, chilies as well. Now we're going to assemble the rice and the chicken together. So we're going to add the first layer of chicken curry. You're going to top it with your rice. Then we repeat the process again. Alright, then we're going to add some food coloring into it and some warm water. We're going to top it off with some garam masala. Allow the rice and the chicken to cook together for about 10 minutes and then mix it together and serve it on the plate. The delicious biryani is ready to enjoy. Take care everyone.